This is an initial inspection of Fender Bassman amplifier just arrived from Texas. The owner said the amp is dead. It's had a lot of work done to it. Oh yeah, I would have to agree. Take a look at that eyelet board. It has some big old giant resistors here, and they're already written bad, so I don't have to worry about troubleshooting those. Man, oh man, she is busy inside. Looks like another get out and rebuild. Let's take a look at the top. Okay, here we are top side. I'm looking at the main power transformer. I do not believe this is an original Fender because it normally has a 606 at the beginning of the part numbers, like the choke and the output transformer. So that's kind of suspicious. Go over here, take the cover off the caps, and they are F and T's, so that's good news. And somebody wrote down the values of all the caps. Looking back here, you can see you have a string of Michael-X caps for the preamp section. But then you get into the output tubes and look at those closely. These are those Chinese copies. They look like Fender sockets, but they're not, and they do not last. So after I get this amp running, I'm going to talk to the owner about swapping those out with some good old USA type. As I stated, the complaint was the amp is dead, so I'm bringing up just the power transformer on a Variac to make sure that it is alive. So that was the high voltage, and we'll take a look at the filaments here. I'm tied across the filaments, and they appear to be alive too. So the problem is not the power transformer. The problem is probably all this other stuff that's going on in the amp. So he packaged all the tubes. I need to unwrap them, give them a test, and put together some type of a quote. But obviously, this is going to be a complete rebuild of this Fender Bassman amp.